Okay, hello everyone. Haji is here again, and I want to show you today how the 90% winning rate strategy, my 90% winning rate strategy works. Okay, so the strategy is pretty simple and outstanding. You know that it just belongs to me and nobody else knows, so keep focus on my presentation today and I will show you. I'm sorry, I'm just joking, I'm kidding. It's not like this. I just try to uh, give you a head up why some strategy doesn't work, and if you see, don't believe everything that you see on the internet. Okay, besides having my signal service, I try to inform you about some lies that you read every day or you hear every day on the internet, or you watch them on YouTube, and show you why it doesn't work. The first strategy that is pretty common when I started my trading career, I faced a lot this one. I saw it a lot. Different version of this is the Bollinger Band. Okay, so let's start and see what's a Bollinger Band. I just add from here, I just add the Bollinger Band for you, and then I just put this one is by default 22. Okay, I will explain what does it mean and what stands for. Okay, here is Bollinger Band. Many of you may know it already, so I just explain a little bit about this. This is the Bollinger Band is nothing more than the simple moving average. The moving average is the average of the certain period of the candle that you set. So in this case we set it for 20, and it's a moving average 20, simple moving average, and then the deviation from the simple moving average. In this case we set it to 2. I want to show you that it's simple moving average. In order to prove, I just put 20, the simple moving average 20, I color yellow, and as you can see, it's exactly the middle line of the Bollinger Band. So it's nothing more than the simple moving average. According to the John Bollinger instruction of John Bollinger, the price will move between this deviation, between this band. Okay, so it go up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. And visually it's really beautiful. You just look at this and you say, oh my god, it's really beautiful. It's right, the candle just come, hit the band and then go back, hit the band and go back, hit the band and go down. Okay, so why don't take the advantage of this one? Exactly, this the strategy of Bollinger Band aim to catch this one. We call it this kind of a strategy reversals. You know why? Because the price will go and then reverse. Okay, so this kind of a strategy that you go in front, you stand in front of the trend or the movement, called reversal, which is one of the most dangerous kind of a strategy. So we have two types of strategy. One is trend following strategy and one is reversal strategies. Reversal strategies, according to me, are the most dangerous one, because you just stand in front of the car, for example, which is moving with 200 kilometers, and you will tell stop because here is the wall, and the car will hit the wall and stop. Okay, it depends on the car. If it's Lamborghini, if it's, I don't know, the another powerful car, Jeep, it can destroy the car, it can stop. So it depends on the quality of the car, in fact, and it's pretty dangerous. The idea of Bollinger Band is this: that when the price hit the band, then, depend on the strategy, take the next candle, for example, 60-second reversal or 5-minute reversal or whatever. So we have two kind of instruction. One is telling that if the candle close outside of the band, the next one will reverse. Some of them will tell when it touch the band, it will reverse. Okay, it doesn't matter. Both of them has the same weak point. Okay, let's see. Let me show you some examples here. For example, we have that the price touch and next 60 seconds it's fall down. Okay, or next 2 minutes it's fall down. Or if you take the 5 minutes reversal, obviously you would lose, but for 1 minute it's winner. So pretty good so far, so good. Here again we have one which closed outside of the Bollinger Band. So next one no, but next one is winner. So if it took, I don't know, 2 minutes or 5 minutes, it would be winner. Pretty good. We found our Holy Grail strategy. Let's see some other examples. Okay, here no. Okay, that one is another example. Okay, so this one works, my friend, just in ranging markets. When the market is ranged, to whom which are not familiar with the concept of ranging market, I will show you. This kind of movement is trend, and we call this kind of movement trending market. Okay, we call this one because it just totally come from here to here down. Okay, so we call it trending. Market is in trend. Then we have sometimes that the market really doesn't move, like here. However, it's end of the week. What is happening in the market, which is here, for example. I will show you with the shape. Here, the thing that we see that the market move inside some limited zone, inside this box. Okay, this one we call ranging market. Then it goes up and down, up and down, up and down. It's pretty easy because you just take your trade in the lower threshold and then in the upper threshold, and you will win all of them. But in fact, you don't know when it starts and when it's finished. Okay, so it can start whenever it wants and it can finish whenever it wants. You cannot understand. Okay, in price action we can understand somehow, but not in this strategy, because most of this strategy doesn't follow any price action rules. Okay, let me show you another thing. Okay, right now we are going to weak point of this strategy. The weak point of all these reversal strategies are something we call it waterfall. Waterfall is nothing more than a sharp trending or sharp drop in price, and in fact it can easily blow your account. Most of the reversal strategy come with the money management system called martingale. In the last video I explained what is the martingale and what is the disadvantage of the martingaling. But here I will show you how it can blow your account easily. Okay, here as we can see the price come, I will show you with the arrow. Okay, the price come, touched. In the case that we take touch, one candle loose. Okay, one candle we tell it's going up but it doesn't, and then we take this one and tell this one will go up, but it doesn't. We go to the next one, we tell it goes up. In the meanwhile, we just double our bets. Okay, so here was 10, here is 25, here is 62, here is 156, and here is 390. Okay, I just show you then in the internet how many people suggest this kind of a strategy on YouTube. Okay, so in this case you lost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades in the row, which costs for you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Yes, this 5 trade will cost for you 644. Okay, totally, because it's 10, 25, 62, it's 156, 390. It costs for you if you just start with 10. And then if you want to win this one, this last one, you put the trade here until it goes up, you have to pay 976. Okay, so at least you need to have the account with 1,620 euros. If you don't have it, if you have, for example, let's say 1,000 euro account, $1,000 account, when you achieve to this level, you will have, I'm sorry, 1,000 minus this one. Total money that will remain for you will be 355. You don't have enough money to put. You don't have 976 anymore. So you just blow easily 1/3 of your account. In how much? In 5 minutes. Okay. We have a lot of these waterfalls, as you can see here. It's closed and we tell it goes down. It's closed, we tell it goes down. It's closed and we tell it goes down. But it doesn't. It just go up and up. Believe me or not, I saw in the market 18 consecutive upward or downward candle. 18, my friends, 18. So you have to do 18 times martingale, which is more than $1 million if you want to cover your loss of 10 euro. If you just start with 10 euro, okay? So some people try to modify this strategy with help of some other indicators or with change of the settings. So they tell, let's increase the deviation to 2.5 in order to increase the chance. As you can see here, the price never closed outside of the band, so we are okay, we are good. And as you see here, so we are safe, okay? But also this doesn't work. First of all, you get much less trades. This is obvious. And secondly, it doesn't mean that you increase the winning rate, because exactly the same problem will happen also for 2.5 band as well. Let's see some examples. Okay, here we have example. It's closed outside of the Bollinger Band, as you can see. Okay, and then the next one fall down. So still you need 2 levels martingale. Okay, this is a very light example. In fact, here again, still you need 2 levels martingale. Still here the market is in range. If I go to the very trending market, I'll show you here. For example, it's Wiener. Okay, here again They are all with 2 levels martingale. Okay. Here, for example, doesn't need martingale. Here doesn't need martingale, so you're okay. You're a winner. Here doesn't need martingale. Here doesn't need martingale. Pretty good. Here doesn't need martingale. Then you arrive to the level. I will show you there are here doesn't need martingale. Okay. But in fact, this is also after the fact. The thing that we see is after the fact. So this channel move a little bit. Okay. This channel move a little bit. So in fact, some of this here that you see in the live, especially here, I want to show you. Here is example. It's close outside, next one go up. It's close outside, next one go up. Okay. In fact, in the live market, this line is not exactly here. This line is more or less here. Then when the next candle move, it just clinch a little bit up. It goes a little bit upper. Okay, and you see it's not close outside. But in the live market, when you watch it in the live market, this one totally close outside of the band. This one the same, totally close outside of the band. This one the same. All of them totally close outside of the band. Okay, right now you see it's a little bit changed the shape. That's why you see, for example, maybe half of the candles is still inside, half of the candles is inside. In the live market, believe me, I will show you. Then all of them are outside. Okay. Some people add some indicators. They are all winners. So I will tell you this strategy works sometimes, but no. Here again, this one, believe me, it was outside. Here, this one is outside. Here is outside. So you just take this is remember, this is deviation 2. Okay, my friends. Here, this one was outside, so you take this one, lose. You take again this one, it's totally outside. You take this one, lose. You take the next one, lose. Okay. You take again this one, it's totally outside. It was lose. It was lose, and then next one win. Okay. And still, it's very late in the night, and the market doesn't have trend. If I show you the real trend market in a London session, for example, you will see that how you can blow your accounts. Here, look at this outside, and then this one, my empty form platform showed that it's green, but in fact it's not. It's a doge. You would lose this one as well. Okay. All of this were outside. In the live market, all of them were outside. I'm searching, unfortunately I can't find the thing that, because I just opened one chart and wanted to show you. Okay. Doesn't exist right now. The thing that I want here, for example, want to at least 2 level martingale in order to be safe. But I'm telling you, one time it happened that also 2 level martingale doesn't work. You need 5 levels of martingale. Here, all of them were outside. So still you need 2 levels of martingale. Outside, I'm sorry, this is the middle band. Okay, I saw something. Let's check. Okay, here all of them, believe me, were outside. So one level, one lose, second lose, third lose, and fourth finally win. And one time it happened one win, lose, and next win. This one, the first time winner. Okay. One time it will happen. Look, one time, the one time lose, second time lose, third time winner, one time winner. Okay. One time lose, one second time win. Okay. This is news. Here, my friend, here. 1, 2, 3, and finally fourth winner. Again, okay, there are too much examples. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at this one here, my friend. Look at this one. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And 4. So your fourth trade will be winner. But it happened in the market. Look at this. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Again, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, I probably cannot find that one. Okay, this one news. Okay, probably I cannot find that one to show you, but it happens sometimes that you martingale. Here, look at this, my friend. Okay, it's a good example. Look at this. You take this one, you take the next one. Okay, lose. 25 lose, 62 lose, 156 lose, 390. So you start with 10, and finally you end with 390, and it can go upper and upper. Okay. Some people suggest, for example, to add some other technical indicators, something like stochastic, okay, or I don't know, something like relative strength index. I should add this from here because it doesn't work mine. Okay, relative strength index. Okay, so they tell, in fact, you take the trade just when all of them are oversold or overbought. So right now in this case, as I told you, look, this one is oversold, this one is oversold. So you take this trade and you lose. Easy. Here is the same. Here is the same. You see, the stochastic is oversold. RSI is oversold. This one is the outside of the Bollinger Band. Yes, let's take 1,000 euro, $1,000, and we will be winner. Look at this. Look at this, my friend. So don't trust whatever like this, like here also. You see, don't trust, don't martingale. And some people also suggest you to increase the deviation to 3. In this case, you will never get it right. Okay, and still this closing outside of the Bollinger Band is fairly new concept. Many people tell you touch just, okay, and still I'm telling you, in the live market it's pretty impossible to find if the candle close outside, because this is the moving average, it's move. So all of this candle that you see here, all of this, you can suppose it's closed outside. But then this one, for example, let me show you this one. Let me show you this one. This one, when you see this one, it shows you the moving average is slightly here. It's here, okay? So you suppose it's closed outside. Just when the next candle go down, this line move a little bit and you see, oh, it was not closed. No, it was closed. It was outside of the band. On the time of the trade, it was outside of the band, okay? Right now it came inside the band. This is the very easy way to show you why the simplest way. I don't know, if you have a little bit of logic, then you can understand it doesn't work. Instead, I can show you. Okay, let me remove all of these indicators. Let me show you how many trades potentially you would have if you trade price action. If you traded just price action, easy. Okay, very easy. Okay, I could have 1, 2, 3. And this one didn't collect, no, and 5. In the period 100% trade, in the period of 3 hours, almost, yes, 3 hours. It's almost 3 hours, less than 3 hours. In the period of 3 hours, I could win 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I could win 4 trades and still I had much more other trades. Okay, I could easily win many other trades. Okay, still the market situation is not good. So when I'm telling that we have the signal service that give you 40 signals per day, it's because, oh my god, this was the news. So it's such easy. It's exactly this easy as you see. So we have in each currency pair, you see that I had 4 here in 3 hours. So exactly in these 3 hours, I will open 5 currency pairs, and I will have 20 which are very accurate. 20 with very accurate in 5 currency pairs. And because the London session is 8 hours, we will obviously have more than 40. Some days 60, some days 40. But it's the lowest amount of the signal that we generate. We will give it all the day. We means I, because I'm a standalone person that I explained in the last video that due to some reasons I'm just right now in the mission in another country that I cannot trade. So I will give 8 hour signal. And if you follow my last video about how to make $20,000 out of 100,000, out of 100 from 100 dollar, starting from $100, how to make in the end of the month 21,000, and then it's exponentially increase if you want to continue. Okay, you can try it in 1 week, so because we just weekly charge. So you can try it just 1 week, and the price is pretty affordable. It's not like €500 because the other signal service, they just give 1 hour in the morning, 1 hour in the afternoon, and that's all. And then you have to pay, I don't know, 500. In fact, when I started this career and I just faced some losses, I just registered with one of them and I paid 400, and it's supposed to be very reputable, and it was written more than 80% winning rate. And some blogs and some website, because they just get the commission from them, so they just advertise and they told they are very trustable and so on. But in fact, no, it was even less than 60%. It wasn't, the winning rate wasn't. So I paid $500 for something less than 60%. So if I toast the coin with 50%, it was free at least. I could put $500 in my pocket. Okay, but this one I assure you that we just use the price action, which is proved that work. I'm telling you why price action work. This is also my last explanation about this. The indicators are something that work in a certain period of time. Indicators, strategies. So the market, for example, here is in range. Okay, here I put another shape for you. Here the market is fairly in range all the way. It works like this in this range, except that one that went out of the range. You see here the market was pretty in range, pretty slow market. So if the strategy works here, it doesn't mean it worked for here. I just moved this one for you. I don't know if I can. Okay, I just move it here. Does it work here? No, obviously no. It just works for here. Okay, it's same as the model of your mobile phone. Okay, so one day you buy iPhone 4 and next day you will see iPhone 5, next day you will see iPhone 6, next year you will see iPhone 7. So every day the market adjusts itself with the new situation. Nothing will work forever. The only thing that works is price action, simply because, referring to our example about iPhone, the iPhone 4, if I'm not wrong, was something like $600. The iPhone 5 was the same, more or less, $600-700. iPhone 6 was more or less the same, $800. And then when the iPhone 7 come out, okay, it start with the $900, $800, and then, but are they really able to increase the price of iPhone until, because it's iPhone 7 and we made it, okay, this is something luxury, and just put $5,000? No, nobody will buy. Nobody will buy. This is the normal reaction of the people on the price. The market has the same logic, same mentality. If you increase the price to, I don't know, let's say this amount, I don't know, each dollar is €3. Okay, each dollar is equal to €3. Nobody will buy it. No. There are some certain levels that the market move inside these, and then you can examine them, you can determine them, and then take the advantage of this. Okay, if you can do it precisely, you will be always profitable. Something like this rarely and barely happen in the market. And also I will show you it was recovered. I put one line for you here. I will show you. This is the time we are in AUD/USD, by the way, my friends. So in fact, it was exactly the time that the Australian Central Bank released the new interest rate. As you can see, this one fall huge. One candle fall almost, let me see, it falls, yes, 36 pips, my friend. It falls 36 pips, one candle. Okay, or two candle fall something like 40 pips. Okay, it barely happened due to news. I will show you if it does it remain like this. No, here was around 1 o'clock, around 12 o'clock GMT time, and then let's see what happened in the end of the day. I exactly remember this because I was training and I was waiting for this. Do you remember that I put this line here when this happened? Let's see. Let's see. Exactly around it's 18:21 in this server time, so will be 3:30. Yes, 3:30 afternoon in GMT time. Around 14 hours after, the price come back, and you see how sharply it broke it. I was waiting for this. I was exactly waiting for this movement, and I took a very beautiful trade here. Okay, because we know that it will happen. It's just excitement of the market that the people suppose, oh, we become poor, they increase the interest rate, so what should we do? So they just start to sell the assets. Well, soon the market will understand, will recover itself back. As you can see, the market recovered back 14 hours later. Okay, this is the price action. It works like this. It's based on the logic of the people, based on the logic of the traders and the market. It's not like this that one day work, one day doesn't work. It works every day, my friend. Okay, so if you are interested, I put my email in the down box below, and soon I hope I will open, if I get some time, I will open my Facebook page. You know, I'm not really such organized to can manage such pages, but anyway, I try to do it. So if you are interested to join me on this signal service with very highly accurate, guaranteed, and to be in my team, to gain that 21,000 in the end of the month, which I promised. It's not a disclaimer that no, we cannot guarantee. No, I guarantee you, you will get it if you just follow exact same signals, nothing more, and exact same rules. You will get it. Hope to see you soon, guys. I will update some more videos about the strategies. Have a nice day. Bye bye.